Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off predictive text in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. Predictive text means if you try to type something, your phone will automatically predict the word and it will suggest. If you want to turn off it, you can do it. I show it how it works. First, I go to typing interface and I would like to type hello. While I start typing hi chi, it will show the list of prediction here. Hey, here, hello. So these are all the prediction. And yes, if you want to use hello, just you can tap here and you can quickly type. But if you don't want to use this predictive test, suppose if you want to type some name, okay, then predictive text will automatically appear and then it will disturb you. Okay, in this case you can turn off it. For that, what you have to do is just go to the settings in your phone here and then go to general management, then go to Samsung keyboard settings. Here just turn off this button predictive text, and now those predictive text will not appear while you start typing. See here, same thing I try now. I would like to type hello, but no predictive text is showing. So just I type Helen and I can easily type Helen. Otherwise, that predictive text will interfere and disturb you. So in this way, you can easily control the predictive text. In some cases, it will be really useful because within few text you can just select the word that you want to type. You don't want to type full, okay. But in some cases, like name typing, it's not recommended. So if you are using frequently name typing, just turn off predictive text. Otherwise, use of predictive text will be very useful for English words. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.